Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. So after long period, near about 8 days gap. Am I right? Rani? Hello? Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
8 days ಆಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 4-5
ಹೌದು
days.
sir.
4-5 days ಆಯ್ತು ನಮ್ದು ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಅವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. So it's a good time to interact with you. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
without wasting my time, can I move the numerical towards? Akshita is here or not? Akshita ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲೇನ್ರಿ? Akshita? Where is Akshita? Akshita Biradar.
Yes, sir.
ಬಂದಿದೆ ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಆರಾಮಿದ್ದೆ?
Sir.
Very good, very good. Okay. Can I start the class?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is our Lucky is here? Kiran?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಭಾಳ ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಟ ನಿನ್ನ ಆವಾಜ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ. ಓಕೆ 4-5 ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. So today we are going to discuss about the numericals. I am planning 3 bits separate. One is Heisenberg uncertainty principles and the de Broglie wavelength. Another one is the eigenvalues. Another one is the laser. Like 3 bit I am taking. Okay. So first part maybe 4-5 numericals completed. That it is based on the de Broglie wavelength only. Akshita, that is based on de Broglie wavelength only, no? But
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. Today we are going to discuss.
Sir, only 2 problems we solved, sir.
Yeah. I will repeat once again, ma. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, Rani. Okay, Rani. Today we are going to discuss about the eigenenergy value. Yeah. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yeah. Okay. ಯಾರು ನಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ರಜೆ. So the ground state energy of an electron in one dimension, infinite potential well of the width 2 angstrom. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದ್ರಂತಲೋ. Who is waiting? Okay. In an one-dimensional infinite potential well of width is 2 angstrom and its energy is 16 electron volt. Its energy in the third excited state you need to calculate here. See that beta. So problem is like that. I will take the pencil here. So where is the diagram? This is there. This is say infinite potential well beta. Are you able to see this diagram? Hey Raja, are you
Yes,
able to?
sir.
Ah, good. Okay. See what is given here? The ground state energy of an electron here ground state energy of an electron. What is the ground state of energy of electron is given? What is that beta? What is that? 16 electron volt. See here, what is given beta? 16 electron volt is given. 16 electron volt is given. Okay, this is 16 electron volt in the ground state. This is the first excited. This is the second excited. So what is the width from here to here? What is the width? So here to here. Okay, that width is what beta? What is the width? What is the width?
2, sir.
Yes, here is a girl. 2. This is the energy. Okay, beta. Now you need to find here where the third state of or excited state. Okay. So are you able to see the marks here? Red marks? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ರಿ. Are you able to see this diagram? Kiran?
हाँ सर
ಜರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಿರಣ್.
ಥೋಡೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತೈತ ಅವ್ರು ಹ್ಞೂ ಅನ್ರಿ ಅವ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. Now see, I am going to use here formula. What is the formula? Means eigen energy formula beta. Eigen energy formula means E of n is equal to this formula. See, this is the formula. What is the formula? See this. Okay, En is equal to n square h square divided by 8 ma square. A is what beta? Width. This width is there. A is this width A. Okay, then h is the Planck's constant. So m is the mass of an electron what we are using here. Okay, 8 is already constant is there. Now you need to determine its energy values at second excited state. Here where is it? Here here see that here this is the ground, this is the first, this is the second. I mean to say beta here n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3. Okay, but E is equal to E1. This is E0 or E1, E1. This is E2, this is E3. Okay, or E1, E2, E3, or some textbook they will take this as a E1 as a E0, E1, E2. Therefore you are getting confused. For example, if En is there means if you write here En, what you write? Second excited means here 2 only beta, because 0 is equal to 1 energy level. So 1 is equal to 2 energy level. Are you able to see the Kiran here? This is Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Energy means you will call 0 level means 1, E1, E2 like that. But whereas in the numbers, whereas you are writing the energy excited numbers, that is different beta. What different? Here n is equal to 1 you will write, n is equal to 2 you will write, n is equal to 3 you will write. You don't take the confused. Is it clear, Akshata? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, right. Same thing, you need to substitute the values. For example, n is equal to 1 means what is that? 1 square into h square is a constant beta. M is a mass of an electron. A is the width is given and 8 is there. So like that you substitute these values in the above equation. See here. Okay, but not necessary to get here, not necessary to substitute here n h m I, because already in the problem is given E1 value, E0 value. How much E0 value is given beta? Ground state value is given. How much given here beta?
16 electron volt.
Yes, 16 electron volt is given. When you know the 16 electron volt, then you put the values of N2. It is not more. When you put the values of N2, okay, N2 means 2 square, N2 means 2 square, N3 means 3 square, N4 means 4 square, like that is there. Second excited state means, see, right, Okay, n is equal to 4. 4 means 0, see 1, 2, 3, 4. It means third exact state I am taking. So third means n is equal to 4 I will write here. 4 square 16 already is there. Then you will get the E4 is equal to 256. Very easy. Okay. Okay. Third exact state ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Is it clear? Can I move next problem ಬೇಟ? Can I move? Kiran?
हाँ सर.
Okay. Next. Right. Very good boy. Okay. Next. An electron is bound in an one-dimensional potential well width of 1 angstrom, but of infinite well of height. Find its energy values in the ground state and also in the first two excited state. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. कितना easy है देख रहे हैं? इतना easy तो क्यों दिए समझ में नहीं आता मेरे को. Very easy. See that. Okay. This is otherwise another one will take this diagram. Okay. Okay. Yes, this also find the first two excited. This is ground state. Yeah. It is clear, no? Akshata, it is clear, no? Yes. Now I will take electron also. Yes, but yes, but now I will take electron also. For example, I will take another color for this. This color. This one L. It is not looking nice. More color. Yes. One. Go through the problem once again. See what is that? An electron is bound in one-dimensional potential well width. Width is given. What is this width, beta? From this end to this end. What is the width, beta? Here. This end to this end. What is the width, beta? 1 angstrom. 1 into angstrom means? Angstrom means? Hey, Rani. Akshata. So what is the width, beta? 1 angstrom. Kiran. Kiran.
Yes sir.
ಕಾಣದಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣದಿಲ್ಲ.
हाँ सर ಕಾಣಲತ್.
ಓಕೆ. ನಿನ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾರ ತಗೋ ಹೂ ಹೂ ಅಲ್ಲಕ ಯಾರು ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬ ನೀವು ಹೋಲತ್ತಿ ಪರಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ಯಾವ ನೋಡು. ಎದುರು ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಬಡಿತದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿನ. ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ. Right. See, these are the pictorial representation for this problem. Okay, this problem ka is pictorial representation madnan. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ find its energy value in the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Also first two exact state ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು 1 2 3. Okay, like this. Okay, now substitute the values. You know the formula. En is equal to n square h square by 8ma square. Now what will write here? N is equal to 1. First n is equal to 1 means ground state. So 1 is equal to 1 square. 1 square means remains h square. 8ma square. H square is what? Planck's constant. Planck's constant is what? 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 beta. You write as it is. And to 8, mass of an electron is given already 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And the width of this is what, Kiran? Width of this is what? Here to here 10 no beta. 10 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 1 beta. Am I right, Kiran?
हाँ sir.
Yeah, very good.
Yes sir.
Very good. So therefore, E naught is also called as E naught is equal to E1. Some textbook they will write E naught or 0 point or the ground state energy is 1. But wherever E is there, this is 1 you call, right? But n is equal to again jumping. For example, E naught is equal to E naught is equal to ground state. N is equal to 1 you write, not 0. If you substitute 0, there is no meaning at all, because 0 into all values constant will become 0. Therefore, always in the energy levels in the electronic system, in the electrical system, the 0 level will be considered as a ground level will be considered as a first only. Okay, that is treating as a 0. That's it. Okay, that is the concept. Okay, right. Now, so E2 is equal to, now you substitute the values of here. N is equal to, instead of n, 2 square h square. See, already here. This value you know, beta. What is this value, beta? What is this value? This value is what beta? Raja? H square by 8 ma square value is what?
37.6.
Yeah. I mean to say, yes. I mean to say, beta, ground state, beta, illegal. Therefore, directly 2 square into directly 37.64 you would write, beta. Not necessary to, not necessary to substitute once again, beta. Once you calculated ground level energy, then whatever n value is there, you multiply, square it and multiply this. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Therefore, this is 4 times of E naught. E naught value is already is there, beta. So you calculate this, then you will get the E2 is equal to this one. Can you calculate, beta? Can you calculate?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Husharo. Okay, right. Now E3. Akshata. For E3, what will write by E3 purpose? Again, E3 again. So this 3 into, what will write for 3 into? 3 into E naught.
Into 6.
Yeah, 3 into, yen beta? See,
into 6.0314.
Illi naglatha confusion allatha beta. All of you see here. Here it is in joule beta. Here it is in joule no beta. Therefore, you divide this by, divide this joules by, what will write? Divide 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb is there, no? Charge of an electron. Am I right? Howda ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you divide means you will get that electron volt beta. Okay? Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Na munduk hogle kya? Munduk hogle?
Sir.
Yes. Very good. Right. Now, another one. The ground state energy of an electron in an infrared well, 5.6 milli electron volt. It is a small v, milli electron volt. If the width of the well is doubled, the ground state energy is, what is the ground state energy? So very interesting and very important phenomena is given. So the something, what is the creativity in the same existing problem? What is that, beta? Go back again. So this is the value. See, I will put the picture here. One level. How many state energy is there? The ground state energy of an electron. Only ground state is there, beta. Only ground state. Once is there. Then afterwards. Yeah. Okay. This. Okay. Nodri. Yen ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. Okay. The energy of an electron in the ground state ಅದು ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ground state. Okay. And first two excited state. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಳಗದಲ್ಲ ಕಿರಣ್ ಅದು. ಅಕ್ಷತಾ?
sir.
ಕೆಳಗದಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದ. ನಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿಂದ್ರ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ರಜಾ?
sir.
ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗಿನ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿನದು. ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. The ground state of energy, okay, of an electron in an infinite well is eight other but ಅದು infinite value, eight of the ground state energy 5 point ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 5 point given now 5.6 milli electron volt beta
5.6 sir.
milli ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ into 10 to the power of -3. Okay, milli ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು beta? Yes 10 to the power of -3 electron volt is there. So write as it is. Okay, now ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. Now see that when the width of the well is doubled, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಬಟ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತದು ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ you take another color, you take another, up to here to here. Okay, when width is, what is that? Width is first width, one width. For that you got the value of energy is like this. Okay, this ಈಗ if I double this width ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಟ a ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನದ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ a ಏನಿತ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು. a means width of the box. Now width of the box is double, no? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಬಟ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ತು ನೋಡ್ಲತ್ರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ಡಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಹಾ, sir.
ಡಬಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್
Yes.
yes
Yes, sir.
yes very good boys and girls okay ಬರ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ clear okay right so this is that okay now write the values of formula we know that what we know so we know that eigen energy value can be written as E1 is equal to 1 into h square 1 square into h square by 8 ma square as it is but where a is what the width of the box what we took here but according to your phenomena according to given data according to his explanation what he gave you you make double to this first this is width is like this now this is a 2a means a is changing as a 2a am I right
Yes, sir.
yes a is changing as a 2a this a is equivalent to 2a next time when it is a 2a determine the its ground state energy this is your question beta okay kiran okay na kiran raja
ಹಾ ಸರ್
very good okay ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಲಕ್ 1 ಇಂದ 10 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಲಕ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಓಕೆನಾ
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ
okay now h square now ಇಲ್ಲಿ see now h square 8m is there here instead of a I wrote 2a understood why I wrote 2a here understood ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು a ಇತ್ತು ಬಟ ಅದಂತ 2a ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾಗಿ a is changing in 2a square therefore again if you simplify means h square 8m into 4a square now so here h square by 8ma square you take outside then 1 by 4 is taken outside this is 1 by 4 is taken outside why sir this is a question Kiran you may ask this question why sir 1 by 8 only sorry 1 by 4 only why not 1 by 8 it means you take 1 by 8 also it will come same answer but some general phenomena or some rules you are implementing here or brackets are implementing here which one first then you will get easy okay therefore I am taking instead of 1 by 8 1 by 4 because if you take out 1 by 4 means what remains beta h square 8ma square yet h square by 8ma square is also equal to what formula ಹೇಳ್ತ್ರಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ what formula ಅಕ್ಷತಾ
Yes, sir.
E
naught.
naught E1 am I right Kiran E1 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬಟ
ಸರ್ ಹಾ ಸರ್
E1 but E1 is already given value is given 5.6 milli electron volt is given no already E1 value therefore 1 by 4 into this is E1 or E naught here E naught not written no sir don't take confusion okay so here E naught E1 E it equal to all is same that is the ground state only so therefore 1 by 4 E now E value is given what is that 5.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 electron volt okay substitute that values here E dash 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into E value then you will get the 1.4 10 to the power of minus 3 can you calculate this one from your calculator can you check
ಹಾ ಸರ್
Yes.
ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರಜೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಂತಾ ಬಂತಾ
Yes, sir.
Ah.
1.4.
yes. ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಎಂಬುದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು 1.6 ಇಂಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಓಕೆನಾ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್
yes ಈಗ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಜೂಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಜೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ what will write you substitute 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules because this is a charge of an electron in joules if you multiply that means you will get it is in the joules okay right right now an electron is confined, okay? An electron is confined in a, to move between the two rigid walls separated by 20 angstrom, okay? The de Broglie's wavelength, find the de Broglie wavelength representing the first three unload energy states of the electron and the corresponding energies. Assume that the potential to be zero. Potential to be zero means force is whatever you are applying to be zero, because Kiran, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, I will draw this. Can I draw this one for the picture? See, can I draw? Raja?
हाँ सर
ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬೇಟ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಮ್ಮೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೆವೆಲ್? How many levels ಬೇಟ? How many level?
सर 2 rigid ones.
No beta, the first 3 allowed energy level, 3 allowed, okay beta? Okay?
हाँ सर.
ಎದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ electron is there and the corresponding energies is there. Okay, ಇದು ತಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will draw according to this beta, according to this. Okay, right. 1 level, 2 level, okay. This 3, okay. Adana 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. Extra means you leave it, beta. Extra means leave it, okay. You don't take. Then, yeah, it will the continuation. Okay. Yes, like this, okay. Now, what is given again? So the width. What is the width, beta? Here, here to here, and here to here. What is the width? Tell me. What is the width? What is the width? What is the width?
20, sir. 20.
20 into 10 to the power minus 10. Very good, girls and boys. Okay, nobody heard that. Okay, now find its de Broglie's wavelength. Here you need to determine its de Broglie's wavelength. Is it clear? Are you understood the questions, beta? No?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes. Very good, boy. Very good. Now write all given data first. Okay, a value is there. You write it. You make in a simplified form. What simplified form, sir? Angstrom is there, nanometer is there, millimeter is there, mega is there. You convert into list form. So in the meter form, over, then again here. So write E1 is equal to what? E2 is equal to what? E3 is equal to what? So different is there. It means you need to substitute values of N1, N is equal to 1, 2, 3 only. So then I will take the different values in the formula. Okay, right. You know that one thing is, what is that? Where is the pencil? You know one thing, but what you know, the total energy, the kinetic energy of an electron, the kinetic energy of a particle is equal to, what is the formula, but of mv square. Is there or not? Fundamental of mv square is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
know,
sir.
yeah, but you know that the total energy or kinetic energy of this electron is equal to half mv square. But you need to write this in the form of momentum. Means what you will do? But divide and multiplied by m. What you will get? But m square into v square divided by m. Can I write? Can I write? Can I write? Raja, Kiran, Akshata. Akshata. Hello? Kiran?
Yes, sir.
ಯಾಕೋ ನೆಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಟ?
sir, break
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, kinetic energy is given. The fundamental kinetic energy value formula is what? Half mv square is there. But you write in the form of momentum means divided and multiplied by m. Okay, beta? Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Therefore, this m square into v square can be written as p square only. The m, downward m is as it is m, 2 as it is. Therefore, e is equal to p square by 2m. Or p is equal to, p square is equal to what we'll write? P square is equal to e into 2m. Then p is equal to under root of e to m. Baribodu ee riti formula? Bariboda? Okay na?
Okay,
Kiran? Okay. Substitute the values. 2a is a constant value. The 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 34 in the mass. What is the mass? Mass of electron. Because I took mass of electron. Okay. into of root E. Root E you don't know, or you know, you here given root E, you write the first T1. So in this way, okay, substitute the values, okay, here, okay. Now, array, time again, Kiran?
Sir, in 9 minutes ago.
ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಏನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ರಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ P1 P2 P3 ಆರ್ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ 1 2 3 ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 2 3 1 2 3 is what beta energy levels. See, ground levels 1 second, first excited, second excited is there, but momentum also is there. What is momentum? P1 P2 P3. Can I consider or not?
Yes, sir, consider.
Yes. Therefore, lambda is equal to h by p. Lambda 1 is equal to h by p. Lambda 2 is equal to h by p2. Lambda is equal to h by p3. It means lambda 1 p1, lambda 2 p2, lambda 3 p3. Different energy levels of different wavelengths with corresponding momentum will make a separate. Okay. With the help of these, we can also write the P is equal to under root of 2m is there, no? Here P1 is equal to, right, as it is value. P value is what here? 1.35 10 to the power minus 3, as it is your. So this value is given already. What is that value is here? Okay. Values is given. Okay. E1 value is given. Substitute the even values directly. Okay. Here. Then P1 momentum will be getting. Okay. Next. P1 is there means fundamental of the formula. Fundamental formula. What is the fundamental formula? De Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength formula is what? Lambda equal to h by p is there. Okay. So when you know the p, you can calculate this lambda because p is equal to h by lambda. Therefore here written. Okay. But cases are there. Different 3 cases are there. Therefore P1 and lambda 1 you will write. So substitute the values 6.63h and p value, you will get the lambda 1. Like that P2 is equal to, okay, like that P2 is equal to, you need to write here lambda 2 and this. Okay. Can you calculate this P3 also? Can you calculate? Continue this.
Yes, sir, we can calculate.
Yes. Okay. This problem is a larger problem, so I will read it properly first. Okay, this is very important of the problem. This problem very important. A particle is moving in one dimensional potential well of infinite height and width of the 25 angstrom. Assuming that the particle is in its least state of energy. Okay, calculate the probability of finding the particle. There are 3 cases there. When in an interval of 5 angstrom at a distance of a by 2 and a by 3 and at the a. So actually we will draw for this. You know, ಇದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಇದು ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. See, I will take this diagram. See, this is the diagram. Okay, what is this? A particle is moving in a one dimensional potential well of the height is infinite height, and then where is diagram? Yes, this one. Infinite height. A like this and like this. Okay, like this. This is infinite height. What it indicates means endless. Hing madre en bata endless ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Infinite height. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು 10 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, see now what is the width bata? From here to here width is what? What is the width? What is the width given here? Tell me, what is the width?
25, sir.
Yes. Very good boy. Width is what? 25 in angstrom. Into angstrom. Okay. But his case is what? Assuming that the particle is in the least state of energy. Least state andre 1, 2, 3 number of state avalla ivu 3 hinga adu least state andre illada anta artha. Illi e not daga anta artha. Assuming that energy, okay, alli least state of energy, calculate its probability of finding the particle. First case elli, so adu 5 angstrom. Okay, 5 angstrom ellindu 5 by t. 5 by 2 means how much bata? 5 by 2 means, sorry, a by 2 means how much? This is the total length is equal to a beta small a, and a by 2 means how much? Here a by 2. Am I right? Am I right? Akshata, nodlitte? Akshata?
Yes, sir.
This is a by 2. What is the value? A by 2 means value is what? Tell me anyone. What is the value? See, a is equal to 25 beta. A by 2 means okay na?
12.5.
Yes. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹುಡುಗಿ ರೈಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2.5. This is the nature of graph what it is given in the problem. Calculate the probability finding the particle in an interval of 5 angstrom at a distance of a by 2. Now one question will arise in your mind, sir, why 5 angstrom? What it indicates, sir? That is it is located, it is vibrating the particle a by 2 in the a by 2 over the symmetrical mark. Over the symmetrical mark. For example, note beta, illindu from here to here and from here to here, how much angstrom is there? ಏನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಟ ಎಷ್ಟು how much ಕಿರಣ್
yes sir
5 angstrom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ ನಾನು from the a by 2 here, from the a by 2 here, total the distance it is covering 5 angstrom. 5 angstrom means 5 a by 2 to half of the 5, a by 2 to half of the 5. This is the matter. Okay, I will detail, I will draw once again tomorrow class also. Can I continue tomorrow this class? Can I continue?
sir.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
sir.
Okay.
sir.
Okay.